Orange whip, 3 orange whips. The Blues Brothers drink order: creamy, orangey, and entirely undeniable. 4 players make this one: vodka, light rum, fresh orange juice, and heavy cream. Start with an ounce of vodka. Any clean neutral vodka works: Absolute, Tito's, or whatever's on your shelf. Add an ounce of light rum. Bacardi Superior is the workhorse, or reach for Havana Club if you want a little more character. Pour in 2 ounces of fresh orange juice. Fresh squeezed makes all the difference. Tropicana No Pulp is the reliable backup. Add an ounce of heavy cream, shake everything hard with ice, and strain into a tall glass over fresh ice. Garnish with an orange slice if you're feeling fancy. We're on a mission from God. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.